Okay, first step is to open your Mac Pro like this. And inside we have the front of the computer here, and the RAM modules are in the rear of the machine. So we'll rotate that around. RAM modules are found in this bay and this bay, and you can remove the covers by unlocking them and removing them like this. That's the first one, and the second one. And that's the second one there. Now you'll notice in these there is a description of how the RAM should be inserted. You'll have we have the standard 4 modules, which is the first one, but we want to include another 2 modules of RAM, so that'll be 6. So based on this, we have 3, 5, 8 and 10, which are currently occupied, and according to this we need to insert the RAM into bay 1 and bay 12, which is the third channel. This is there's 3 channels of RAM here, so we're going to be inserting 2 32 gig modules of RAM into bay 1 and bay 12. So we'll go ahead and do that now. And we've chosen to purchase the OWC RAM, which is a pack of 64, which is the 2 32 gig modules. I'll open that right up there. So there are two sticks of RAM, and they go into the modules as follows. Click the open these up, and we'll slot those in. You'll notice the mark in the center there, and you hear those click in. It's not properly in on that side. That one's in now. And then for the last one, which is bay 12, and we'll pop that in here and push them in until they click. That side is not in yet. I'll push that in, and that's not in yet. Need to hear a click on that side. And that is now in place. So now we've inserted our 2 32 gig RAM modules. So now it's a matter of reinstalling the covers, and then we'll go ahead and test the installation.